Good evening, everyone. I'm Archit Mehra, representing Diamond International. I'm into the category of Golden Diamond Jewelry. I would like to welcome you to the fifth episode of Victoria Talks. Today, I have with myself a very bright, young, and talented boy, Weber Das. He's into the category of artificial turfs. Weber, welcome.
Hi Archit,
Hi, Weber. How are you?
I'm fine. Yeah, how are you?
Very well, Weber. Welcome to the fifth episode of Victoria Talks. So, Vaibhav, let's quickly get on to the point. Vaibhav, tell our viewers something about your company.
So we are Altius Sports, more commonly known as Tiger Turf India. We have been serving the sports industry in India and SAARC nations for just over a decade. We deal with the best in outdoor and indoor sports surfaces. We design, supply, install, and maintain world-class sports infrastructure. We are a one-stop solution to your artificial grass, tiles, PVC, and PU or acrylic needs. They are all very durable and most user friendly.
Great to know that, Vaibhav. Vaibhav, could you tell us and our viewers something about what is the USP of your product?
All our products are basically New Zealand made. Our wide range of products contain football, cricket, hockey, basketball, tennis, badminton, volleyball, netball, bowling, multi sports, and landscape products. We are committed to providing the best in sports infrastructure and the best in artificial grass with maximum usage, and it comes in various colors. The landscape grass range replicates natural grass and stays lush green throughout the year and for years to come.
Great to know that, Vaibhav. So, Vaibhav, moving on to our next point, I'm sure with such a wide range of products, you face a lot of challenges. What are your main challenges?
Our market is a price conscious market with a number of experienced players. We overcome this challenge by providing our clients with the material which is not only the best material in terms of quality, but also which is best suited for the requirement of the client, well within their budget as well. Not to mention our long and continuous support towards their arena of their dreams.
Great, Vaibhav. So, Vaibhav, quickly moving on to the next point. How has BNI Victoria helped you grow your business?
I know I'm not the only one to say this, but BNI Victoria is again family. And with the support of our family, we never ever had to look back. Even while the whole world is facing such unknown times, we move forward with the support of our Victoria family.
Could you even help our viewers understand your business better by, talking about some of your projects?
Absolutely. I'll talk about the largest in Asia. So, Artificial Ground, which is largest, Geo Gardens in Mumbai. So, it's made by Reliance and obviously by Altius Sports. We have football clubs like we recently did Paro FC Bhutan, and we're doing a couple of more projects for the Royal Bhutan Army. I am Kolkata's one of our most proud owners of multi-sport facility. Then modern school, Delhi, American International School. We have done 4 in the country and one which is in Bangladesh in Dhaka. So they are one of our greatest clients.
Great, Vaibhav, great. So, Vaibhav, for our viewers, could you please help us enlighten us with the kind of connects you're looking for? How can our viewers help you?
So the connects we are looking for are mostly schools, colleges, universities, architects, builders, sports clubs, sports associations, interior designers, indoor and outdoor wedding arenas, and those who would like to be the proud owners of a balcony or a rooftop garden.
Great, Vaibhav, great. I hope your interview helps you grow and helps everyone else understand your business better and generate your referrals. Thank you, Vaibhav.
Thanks.
With this, we come to the end of the 5th episode of Victoria Talks. Stay tuned next week, same time. Thank you.